Markdown Maniacs assemble! You already know. Aldi hack hero, middle aisle survivors only. Alarm set early, keys in my hand. Middle aisle calling, wasn't in the plan. Came in for milk, came out confused. Why have I got a welder and a garden hose too? Thursdays and Sundays, say it again. Thursdays and Sundays, tell your friends. Middle aisle madness, blink and it's done. If you want it from Aldi, you gotta be quick, son. Staff's just smiling like, here we go. They've seen this chaos, they already know. Someone circling your trolley like it's gold. Price tag screaming, why is this sold? You don't think about it. You don't come back later, because later